equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. First, power down your HP 15DA0031NS and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable, as this will help prevent any electrical issues during the upgrade. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the back panel is removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the M.2 slot, which is typically situated near the RAM slots. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the interior using compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and cooling. Now, take your new M.2 SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at a slight angle, ensuring the notches on the SSD align with the slot. Once in place, gently push it down until it clicks into position. Secure the SSD with the screw provided, ensuring it is snug but not overly tight. After installing the SSD, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully replace the back panel, ensuring all clips are secured. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them in a crisscross pattern to ensure even pressure. Before powering on your laptop, remember that if you reckon this is too hard, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. You can also receive a quote before any repair work is done. Now, reconnect the battery and power on your HP 15DA0031NS. Enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F10 or Escape. Check that your new SSD is recognized in the storage settings. If it is, you can proceed to install your operating system or clone your existing drive. Once the installation is complete, enjoy the enhanced speed and performance of your upgraded laptop. Remember, maintaining your device is crucial, so consider regular cleanings and updates to keep it running smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our team is here to help you with any technical difficulties you may face, ensuring your laptop remains in top condition. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.